Okay, guys, I'm in DT and they have this personal care essential oil roll on and it's smooth. And this, they said, this is supposed to be good for repelling insects. So, girl, we're getting to that season, and this is the one that has eucalyptus, peppermint oil, and rosemary oil in it. So, if you see this, pick it up because I'm going to get 2 of these and I'm going to try it out. And if it works, then your girl will be coming back and getting some more. So here's what it looks like again. This is what the ingredients are. This is what it says on the box. It says soothe. So fingers crossed that this works. And you guys know that this says it's a new item and it's the Gain Ultra Clean dish soap, and these bad boys are $5 for this right here. $5, $5 right here. So be careful when you're grabbing stuff because the prices have gone up. Even the simple Tide is for $5. These ones right here, and the Gain right here is for $5. I came in here looking for those white wire baskets. I need a couple of them to put over my plants. Oh, here they are. Yes. Thank you, Jesus. Right here is what I'm looking for. These ones right here. See these wire baskets? I need a couple of these. Woohoo! So I'm happy about that. Yay! Woohoo! Gardeners haven't come over here to score those yet, so let me get my baskets. Okay, can you guys, let me show you a few things that I found at the DT while I was in there. This Brazilian Sol multi-surface cleaning wipes right here. And they have 30 wipes in here, and it says do not flush. So everybody's been talking about these. If you guys are not familiar with the Brazilian, and they're by Home Bright, these have an exceptional, wonderful smell. So let's open it up real quick. I took the foil off the top because I didn't want to, try to make this end of this video so long. So this is what they look like. They're just like wipes. Durable. The smell. Has such like a subtle like a candle, like a lavender, like a tropical flavor to it. And it's a surface cleaner. So I got my table here. So let's use it to clean and see how it goes. It's thick. It's wiping really good. So it looks good. And it's still held up. So that's good. Smell my hands. Smells so good, you guys. And then at the beginning of the video, I told you about this essential oil bin roll on. And it's supposed to be soothe. And this is supposed to be one of the people that I follow. She recommends this for mosquitoes. So to keep the mosquitoes off of you. So let's do like a quick little test. I'm putting it right here. Whew. And this one, it has the eucalyptus in here. And it also has rosemary in here. And this is, I'm going to test it because when I'm outside in the garden, I'm definitely going to walk around and I'm going to put it in points where, most of our gloves come up to our wrists. So right where my gloves start, I'm going to put some there. They always seem to be bothering me on my face. So I'm going to put some on my face and some behind my ears and my neck when I'm outside. And I will be the test subject when I go outside to let you guys know if this really, really works. And then I found this face and body Brazilian mist. That's what the scent is. It's called Brazilian mist that everybody is talking about. And this is the face and body wipes. When I open this up and I try them, I will come back and I will give you an honest review on how I feel about these products. So these are the 3 products that your girl found at DT. These 2, the wipes, the face and body wipes, and also this essential oil blend roll on and soothe to help with the mosquitoes. All right, guys, if you guys have tried any of these products, let me know down in the description box so I can see what you think of it. But this roll on one, woohoo! I don't even I think this is going to work because it is so strong. All right, I'll keep you posted on that too. All right, guys, have a wonderful day. Have a blessed day. And Miss Renee will keep you posted on any new things that I find in the DT that's going to help us this year in the garden, in the house, all the new items that I've seen them starting to put out. All right, so stick with me and I will keep you updated. All right, guys, take care.